You got the hiccups, little Brielle? Your eyes are open now. Let's try to see those pretty little blue eyes, huh? You see those blue eyes? Hiccup. Hiccup. What are you covering your face for, huh? Don't do that. You sleepy? You sleepy, little babe?